Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the remainder theorem. The statement is given as let Px be any polynomial of degree n and n is greater than or equal to 1 and gx is equal to x minus a where a is a number. If Px is divided by gx, then remainder is Pa. In order to prove the theorem, let us suppose when polynomial Px is divided by gx, the quotient is qx and remainder is rx. So we have Px is equal to qx times x minus a plus rx, where degree of rx is less than degree of x minus a. Since degree of x minus a is 1, the degree of rx is 0. So rx is a constant, that is, say r. Here you can see that Px is equal to qx dot x minus a plus rx, where degree of rx is less than degree of x minus a. Here you can see x is a variable, a is a constant. Variable has a degree 1. So since degree of x minus a is 1, if degree of x is 1, so rx will have the degree 0. Now we can write Px is equal to x minus a dot qx plus r. If a is equal to x, this implies that in place of x we can write a is equal to, in place of x we write a minus a dot q a plus r. Here a minus a is 0 dot q a plus r. This implies Pa is equal to r. This proves the theorem. This proves the theorem. Hence, if a polynomial Px is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is PA. Now I'm going to solve a question by using remainder theorem. Question is, if px is equals to 4x cube minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 4 and gx is equals to x plus 2, find the remainder. Solution is, we have here px is equal to 4x cube minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 4 and gx is equal to x plus 2. Comparing x plus 2 with x minus a, this implies that x plus 2 is equals to x minus a. Here x and x will cancel out and we will get a is equal to minus 2. Now this a is equal to minus 2. Now by remainder theorem. By remainder theorem we have PA is equal to R. So in place of A, if you write minus 2, we should in place of x we can write here now minus 2. So 4 times minus 2 whole cube minus 3 times minus 2 is square plus 2 times minus 2 minus 4. Here 4 is as it is times whole cube of minus 2 will be minus 8 minus 3 times whole square of minus 2 will be 4. This is plus 2 times minus 2 plus minus it will be minus 2 times 2 will be 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 8 times 4 will be minus 32 minus 3 times 4 will be 12 minus 4 and minus 4 will be 8. If you add minus 32, minus 12 and minus 8, we will get minus minus, this is minus 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, it will be 12, carry over 1, and 3 plus 2 will be 5. That is P minus 2 is equals to minus 52 is the required solution.